Hi, I'm Dr. Nancy Clark, and my channel name is Inner Majesty. This is where we talk about spiritual topics. Comment below if it resonates with you. In my published book called Divine Essence of Love, it is available on Amazon and Apple Books, or you can sit back, relax, and just enjoy the poems as I read them to you. This next poem is titled Sound Current, located on page 31. Magnificent sound current going through your beingness resets deep-seated grooves, transforms set behavioral patterns, accumulating spiritual wisdoms. Powerful sound current of source flows continuously, showering love, healing, gratitude, renewal, being a unique expression, peace that surpasses the conscious mind. After mystical experience, spiritual student knows transformation is now a reality. Dining with truth provides fruits, easily revealing spiritual wisdoms, true essence of arcane mysteries. All are extensions of divine absolute, experiencing creation, divinity of source, manifesting in unique expressions, duality, catalyst for evolution. Remember your divine origin. You are in cosmic university, profound connection with source, soul saturated with divine love. Thank you for joining me today. I've enjoyed spending this time with you. If you want additional information about me, please click on my website listed below in the description. Until next time.